If you want to install the iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we need to go to the Play Store, and then over here we can use the search, and we can type something like iOS launcher, iOS theme, iPhone launcher, or iPhone theme, and stuff like that. And you should be able to find many different iOS launchers, of course, and you can just try to find any of them that you would like to use. You can test all of them if you want to. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how it looks like. And then of course you can decide if you want it as well. If not, try any other launcher that you can find here. So let's go ahead and open the app. Of course, you might see some ads here and there, but you should be able to skip them. Over here we have the option to grant the permission to the location. I'm gonna choose while using the app over here. I'm gonna grant all of these permissions. And there we go. Now in here, you can tap on Make Default Launcher, and here we have an ad. And the reason why you might want to do this is because whenever you go to the home screen, then of course the default launcher is used. So we want to make sure that if we go to the home screen, the iOS launcher is going to be used. Over here, we're gonna change that. There we go. We have an information about the blur effect, which appears on every smartphone apparently. So I'm just gonna tap on Never here. And there we go. We have our custom iOS launcher, and you should be able to use it very easily. As you can see, we have the app library as well, so you can give it a try. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.